Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting on the map and in the woods fast. Locate contiguous timber blocks over 100 acres and mark legal entry points. Once done, prioritize ridgelines and saddles that deer used to travel. Those concentrate movement. While moving, confirm food sources within 1/2 mile and note mass trees or green fields. Make sure to log gated roads and boundary fences so you can plan quiet entry times. This first step gives you the structure for focused scouting trips. You now pattern buck movement by combining visual and physical sign. Begin glassing funnels at dawn and dusk from elevated points, and once you spot travel, walk to inspect rubs and scrapes. Assess size and freshness, then mark them on your map. Simultaneously, deploy trail cameras angled 45 degrees to intersect trails. Check them every 7 to 10 days to avoid disturbance. As you gather photos and sign over weeks, you'll refine core areas and time of day activity for your final. You finish by converting patterns into precise setups. Place stands or blinds downwind of bedding and about 100 to 250 yards off confirmed funnels so deer come into your field instead of you walking to them. Hunt prime windows, 90 minutes before and after peak movement, and if trails go cold, switch to a mobile plan rather than forcing a sit. If bucks vanish, rerun cameras and widen your search by 1/2 mile. This troubleshooting step keeps you adaptive and increases success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.